Good morning, my dear children of class 5. I hope you all are fine. Today, I will teach you lesson 3 of your CPW book, A Clean Neighborhood. I'll read the lesson and side by side I'll explain you. So please take out your book, open lesson 3. Let's start. Neighborhood refers to the surrounding areas. Your neighborhood refers to the surroundings of your house. Nobody likes to live in an area surrounded with trash and all sorts of garbage. So, as to ensure cleanliness in your neighborhood, you should follow few steps. So, children, neighborhood is the area that is around you. It may be your school, where you are studying, hospital, your playground. This is all areas that is around your house. And you will learn how to keep all these areas in this lesson, how to try to keep the areas clean. So, to keep the neighborhood clean, you should follow few steps. First step is set a good example yourself. Always take steps to keep your neighborhood clean. Never make it dirty. Means if you want to keep your neighborhood clean, you have to set a good example of yourself. First, you clean the area. Suppose if you are going on the road, you found a piece of paper or something, banana skins or something like that, you should pick it up and throw it in the nearby dustbin. This is the example you can set for others to make your surrounding clean. Make a group of people who want to live in a clean surrounding. You can also talk to the municipal corporations and other organizations like clubs, etc., who carry out activities for the cleanliness of a locality, town, etc. For this, you can gather people, make a group, and then you can talk to the corporations who are responsible for the cleanliness. So, municipal corporation is one of them. You can talk to them. They have some people in their hand. They will send like sweepers, garbage man to collect garbage and clean your areas. This way you can keep your locality clean. Develop awareness among the people. Convince the people that cleanliness is essential not only in their houses but also on streets, roads and in the colony. Put up banners, make slogans and go from house to house as to make the people aware of the advantages of the cleanliness. Conduct educational campaign on cleaning, collecting and disposing of garbage in an environmental friendly manner. What does it mean? You can educate the people, those who are not educated. You can tell them not to dispose the garbage in the open area or don't throw it on the road. And you can tell them all this and educate them how to maintain your locality, how to keep the surrounding clean. So, conduct an educational campaign on cleaning, collecting and disposing of the garbage in an environmental friendly manner. Tell the people that garbage should be kept in covered dustbins. It should not be thrown in the open. The dustbin should be given to the garbage man so that he empties them in his big garbage can and returns the dustbin back to you. Always try to increase the number of people in your group. Community involvement ensures the cleanliness of the neighborhood up to a very great extent. Community involvement matlab as many people you will collect them, make a group, will be more effective if they go together and speak to anyone, speak to the concerned authorities for the cleanliness. Ask the people of the group and other people of the community to contribute a reasonable amount of money. The fund thus collected should be used for the cleanliness of the place. Tell the people about 3 Rs, that is recycle, reduce and replace. What is recycle? Some waste items like old newspapers, cardboards and plastics etc. can be reused to make useful items. Reduce, minimize or stop the use of things like plastics and other non-biodegradable items. What is non-biodegradable items? Now, items that cannot be disposed, and if they are not disposed, they are lying here and there. For example, polythene bags, it cannot be disposed. So, what happens? It is lying here and there, and sometimes it goes into the drains also and block the drainage systems, and that creates a lot of problem. Replace, instead of non-biodegradable items, use biodegradable items. For example, use paper or jute bags instead of plastic bags. Now here I'll tell you the story that is quite different, a story about a village which is very different from the other villages.